now we are going to Ground Zero. So marami kami dito, you know, puno-puno na yung kalsada, itong Marawi. Sira-sira ng mga college, sira-sira ng mga bahay. Dito nyo, parang ano, yung lugar, it look like parang sa movie. Gandang-gandang ano, building, pero because of the war, most of the mall, actually all the house is damaged. So many, no, pag sa loob din, maraming sa loob, maraming ano, puro damage, wala nang ano, tao dito sa loob. Here we are with Black Hawk and Pusaka from Marawi. Yan ang mga Harley boys here. Pangalan mo, brother?
Gior.
Gior, ikaw?
Sarge.
Sarge, ikaw?
Road Captain.
Road Captain. Ikaw, brother? Prospect?
Sharky, shout out sa lahat ng mga kalbo dyan.
Ikaw, bro? Pangalan?
Photographer lang.
Oh, anong page mo?
Brodiceps, what's up?
Yes!
Let's go.
Oh,
Let's go.
yes. Follow kayo dyan, guys. Oh, yan ang ito yung malupit, oh.
Hello!
Anong oras ka dito, bro?
9:30 pa kami dito naghahintay.
Siyempre, ganun talaga ng mahal sa ano, sa Thunderbox.
Ang mahal ng Thunderbox, pati sinadsa.
Ano, press?
Yung Black Hawk at saka Thunderbox, ito yung nag-form ng federation.
Yes, alam nyo na. Oh, ito yung ano, president ng Thunderbox and ito yung former president ng Black Hawk. Sila yung mga ano, yung convention, di ba?
Yeah. The first convention was in Bacolod.
Okay.
Charter member. Charter. Nagbuo ng federation was Black Hawk and Thunderbox.
Here we regroup with the Pusaka from Marawi. So they are using the Harley, Honda, and mga iba-ibang mga macho motor. Oh, yun na, sila yung Pusaka. Tapos meron din ang from Black Hawk. Yan. So they are the one is going to guide us to Davao. So we are going to have lunch in Marawi. Then ready to roll na. Yan na, Pusaka, Marawi. Maganda yung ano, logo nila. So mainit eh. So let's go. So let's go. Yan. Sa likod you can see all the Thunderbox, Black Hawk, all of them are here. Yeah, here is on the front, here is Pusaka from Marawi City. So we are going to Davao via Marawi. Yan ang papuntang Marawi guys. Maganda yung kalsada dito. This is my first time I am actually entering this area. Let's see how it's look like Marawi. Sana one of these days everything will be alright here. Marami na yung kawawa dito sa sa yung mga war, because of some of the people, everybody damay na dito. Pero maganda yung kalsada. O, tingnan nyo, may bangging. Yan na guys, pasok tayo dito. Dito kami sa Marawi and here is Miko, brother, thank you for inviting. Grabe, gandang place mo. Dapat every week kami dito. Jimmy, ano?
Larga tayo ngayon.
Gutom ka, no?
Gutom.
Kawawa ka na naman. Oh, kain na. Oh, let's eat. Oh, no, galit din. Oh. Kanina pa siya nangaway, gutom daw siya. 10 o'clock, gutom na eh. Oh. Oh, wala.
Itlog lang, no?
Oo.
Hindi, walang kusino.
Wala.
Bangus lang at saka itlog.
Yan na boys, we had our lunch here in Sapadan in Marawi. Now we are going to Ground Zero. So marami kami dito, puno-puno na yung kalsada itong Marawi. So almost maybe 35 something. So let's go, and they are going to show us the Ground Zero. I never been to Ground Zero, so let's go and check how it look like, and we can ask some guys also about Ground Zero. Ito yung Marawi guys. Ito yung nangyari ng mga bomba, mga war, mga lahat. Ito yung nangyari. Ito yung lugar. Nangyari ng yung war. Kita nyo ito, lahat ng lahat ng mga building sira-sira, may may baril-baril. Ito na nangyari sa sa Marawi, the time when the war was happening. Lahat dito sira-sira ng mga building. Ngayon wala pa nang ayos. Tingnan nyo, sira-sira ng mga college, sira-sira ng mga bahay. Ito nyo, parang Yung lugar, it's look like parang sa movie. Iba eh. So, parang movie set dito. And a Golden Mosque there. Ayan, mga idols natin. Gandang-gandang ano, building, pero because of the war, most of the mall, actually all the house is damaged. So many, no, sa loob din, maraming sa loob, maraming ano, puro damage, wala nang ano, tao dito sa loob. Actually this is a closed area now, I think under investigation and all the stuff. So sana bumalik sila lahat dito sa ano, sa buhay nila. Grabe na nangyari dito. Oh, grabe, no? Lahat na parang ano, isang city wala na. Ito talaga ng ano, yung area na tinamaan talaga. Parang ano, parang movie site, no?
Let's get a picture of that.
Grabe na nangyari dito. Yung buong ano, isang buong city actually is gone. Grabe na nangyari dito. Kawawa mga tao. How many houses, how many businesses, you know, sa loob talaga wala nang ano, wala talaga dito. Kawawa. Daming kawawa because of some people do their mistake, and all the people here damay na. Sana ayos sila lahat dito para balik sila dito. Grabe, no? Grabe talaga dito. Tambong city wala eh. Kahit saan ka nang tingin, grabe. Ito, lahat ng buildings wala. Even Moscow, even mosque. But they are actually rebuilding the mosque. Yeah, that is a school, I think. Elementary school. And my mosques are building. Mosques are building. So many things. Wala dito sa city. Marami ng tao ng ano, hanap buhay. Wala. So let's go, guys. Kawawa. From here pala. Ito. Puro baril na. Puro baril. Pati mo lahat wala. Wow. So, let's go, guys. Sobrang sad talaga ako pag nakita ko ng ganyan. Talaga, marami na mga, you know, I always think about yung hanap buhay nila, yung life of the people, because of someone did the mistake and so many of them damay. Wow. From here, so many people damay na dito. Kawawa. So yan, we are with Black Hawk going to Davao. Yan. So the Marawi boys until Marawi only. So we will be riding, maybe when I am coming back here, I will do some you know, unity ride with mga riding club here. So mabait na tao dito eh. Marami na mabait na tao dito. So tingnan natin how we can, you know, do the one unity ride with mga riding clubs, riders here, and give them some ideas. So let's go to Davao. Boo!